How to buy ASVORIA token. So this token came under the symbol of ASV. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there's a few links down in the description. You can get free money rewards in crypto with the best referral links. Use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see here, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account, as you can see here. So check the Telegram channel, they include it too. So after that, what you need to do, if you don't have an account on MixC, so first, what you need to do here, this token, it's available on CoinMarketCap, as you can see here, guys. Now to be able to buy this token, click on Max here, and you will be able to see these two. The one is decentralized exchange platform, and the other one is the exchange platform, which is called MixC. So if you don't have an account on MixC, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account under it on MixC, and fund it with some USD to benefit. So after that, what you need to do, click on this pair link here, and you will be able to relax it to this token page to be able to buy it on your account. So select the limit or the market, it is the same. Set how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT that you have on your account. And after that, click on buy ASV. So if you select the market, drag this to set how much of percentage that you want to use of that USDT that you have on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So after that, click on buy ASV token and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy ASV token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.